like here with Microsoft, even though the first 15-minute candle popped way up, look at it. It never broke it again. See it? That's Microsoft. Tesla kind of plays by its own drummer just because it's Tesla. But you can also see Tesla's first 15-minute candle was a pop. See it? And it broke pre-market high. See there? You had a run up, and this is the open, and it did go up the rest of the day, didn't it? You guys starting to see that? Here's your cues. First 15 minutes of the day never broke pre-market. And where did it go all day?
And coach, I use that too for days that I recover calls, is to see how the day is going to go and
Yep.
keep an eye on it.
Yeah, for sure. Yep. And when you're doing that too, Mark, a lot of times what I'll do, right, when I'm writing my cover calls is I'll go to this 1 hour and this will help me more.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So, and you guys know you can use the EWO, right? My 2-minute drill, you can use it on everything. So in this case, this would be a 1 hour EWO, but all the same rules apply. Second candle, second candle, second candle, second candle, second candle. Do you understand? Same rules, you just are going to swing trade it, right? And in this case, we were talking about covered calls, which lets Mark know, you see how it's fading? Right? So you can see it's trying to break our first level of resistance, 397.06, then 397.17, then 397.40, 52, 63. And remember, these could be off by a couple pennies because the stock is such a large number, right? Triple digit. If this was a penny stock, it would literally be to the exact cent. Oh, the bigger the stock, the more room you got to give it.
Use Apple and Tesla to inform on SPY?
I do. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Apple. Yeah. Yeah. Anytime I'm scalping or trading SPY,
Yep.
I'll always have SPY here. Yep. And then Apple over here, because this will kind of give me an idea of market direction to help me to go with what's going to happen with SPY. So this is what my scalping would look like. I'd be in a 30-second here. I'd be in a 2-minute here. And then if I was trading options, it would be in here. So this is what my screen would look like, just like this. That's a scalp. And then as this comes back, right? So a lot of times, like if it's not following Apple, I'll pull out here like we did with you guys. And I'll make sure these key critical areas, I know where they are. So when I'm over here in my 30-second, I know when I'm going to run up against a wall already, right? So I already know, like when this comes up to 397.40 and I'm in a scalp, I better watch myself, right? And that's right here and here.